Shikha, and now you're playing Samira. So tell us the journey of Shikha and Samira.
The journey has been very, very fulfilling because Shikha is a simple girl, comes from a small town, normal middle class values, is given a very, very bad dhokha by her own husband. Her child is taken away. So from normal chirpy girl, she becomes this brooding mother. And from this brooding, defeated mother, she becomes Samira. And that's the character that I'm playing right now. But we keep switching between Samira and Shikha because whenever she's with her own family, she is Shikha. And whenever she is in front of the Jagannaths and the entire world, she is Samira. So as an actor, I'm like shuttling from character to character, and it's very, very fun.
How is it difficult for it is to play two different roles?
Shikha was not very difficult to play because Shikha is somebody who I am. I'm somebody who's like that, very, very simple, not complicated. I trust people easily. But Samira, yeah, she takes a lot from me because she is this stylish diva, and she is someone, you know, who has that crazy amount of confidence. So Aishwarya somewhere lacks there. So in order to incorporate those qualities in that character for me was a little difficult, and but slowly and gradually I think I managed it somehow.
So which character you relate to, Aishwarya personally?
I relate to Shikha definitely.
And what are the same qualities you have?
Like I mentioned, Shikha and Aishwarya are similar in a lot of manners. I trust people easily. I am somebody who enjoys her family time. I've lived in small towns, so I understand that kind of mentality that she has. You know, she's somebody who's ambitious, yes, but not at the cost of her family, not at the cost of her personal life. So I'm somebody like that.
And how's the atmosphere on set with your co-actors?
Right now it's very, very stressful because I'm not going to be here for 8 days, so they're trying to finish my work. So right now it's stressful, but otherwise we have a blast because we almost every day, all of us are shooting together. So whenever there are combination scenes, our co-director has a tough time getting all of us in frame and getting us disciplined, but we have a blast.
How's your chemistry with Nigar especially?
Nigar and me, with time we have grown really, really close. I mean, I'm so comfortable with that girl, so much so that I've sat in her room and I've cried at times. Because sometimes this profession does take a toll on you. Your scenes, the kind of scenes that you're playing, the amount of risk you're taking. So yeah, it takes a toll. So there have been times that I've gone to her room and I've howled and I've cried, and she's been there to listen to me and give me proper advice. So me, there are very, very few people in this industry who are my friends, and I think Nigar is one of them.
This serial has changed your life and you in person?
हाँ, ड्रेसिंग सेंस थोड़ी इम्प्रूव हो गई because Samira is somebody who's very, very stylish. But no, I really don't allow my professional life to change the real me. I am Aishwarya. What I was 5 years back, I still am.
Tell us about your marriage plans.
I'm getting married in December. That's my marriage plan as of now.
But there is a special story behind how Rohit proposed to you. Tell us about the story.
Yes, Rohit proposed to me in a very, very unpredictable manner because knowing him, I always thought that अगर मुझे शादी के लिए propose करेगा, it would be in a moving car with चल शादी करेगी and here's your ring. But it wasn't like that, you know. He got the presidential suite booked. He was on his knees holding the ring. He had played our song. We have one song, so he played our song. There were fireworks. There were 12 of my friends, my close friends who were there to celebrate the entire thing with us. There was champagne in the middle of the room. So it was something that I never thought that Rohit could do, but yeah, he managed to do it and do it really well.
The proposal was so special. What are your plans for marriage? You know, some like a typical girl, they have plans. You have some.
Honestly, me and Rohit, we both don't have the time to plan anything. We have left that on our parents. आप लोग देख लो हमारी शादी आपको कैसे करवानी है. Me and Rohit, we've been together for almost 6 years now, so we really don't feel the need to, you know, decide कि हम लोगों को साथ में कैसे रहना and we are more or less. I feel married to him already. You know, I'm so comfortable with him. So I don't really need to decide कि शादी कैसे करनी है. शादी for me is हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे हो गई.
And you are also doing a Marathi film.
No, I'm not doing a Marathi film. I played a small cameo. It's a guest appearance for my friend Shravan Jain. He is producing this film called Zaniba. So I'm playing this small cameo on his request.
You have completely different character and you are playing a sexy avatar in that.
I don't know why people give me those roles, you know. Even as Samara, I'm supposed to be sexy. Even in Zaniba, the character that was written, keeping me in mind, is of the sexy teacher. I don't really know why people think of me as sexy because I'm nowhere close to that.
Women's empowerment, what do you feel?
You always ask me this question.
The thing is, there you character. That only.
You know, it may come across as this television daily soap that we are making, but if you look deep inside, it is raising the question of how safe can a woman feel even with her husband. If you read Mumbai Mirror, recently I was reading an 80-year-old man killed a 76-year-old lady who was his wife the past 40 years, 50 years. तो ऐसी चीजें होती हैं. So with this show, we're just trying to portray that if something like this happens to you, please don't take it lying down. You need not come out with that revenge mood, but there's always a way to seek justice. So go ahead, do that. Use your rights as a woman. Don't keep quiet, because if you keep quiet, no one will help you. So speak out and just be that strong woman that you want to be.
Okay, lastly, message to your viewers.
You know, every time I've just thanked and thanked and thanked, and I've been so grateful for all the love that I've been receiving for so many years now. Having said that, it's still the start of my journey. It's still the start of my career in this arena. So I need your support. I need your love and encouragement. So keep giving me that.
You're looking forward to your marriage?
Yes, I'm looking forward to my marriage definitely, because then things will change. Life does change once you get married. So I'm looking forward to that change.
Thank you.